Hello everyone! The HarmonyOS 2.0 is continuously reaching new milestones. It hasn't been long when it completed 70 million installations, but this figure is rising constantly. Huawei has now added 20 million more installations to the recent figure and achieved 90 million HarmonyOS upgrades. This speedy rollout process indicating that Huawei will soon reach a user base of around 100 million within this year. Furthermore, the users are also taking interest in upgrading their devices on HarmonyOS over the EMUI. Its distributive capabilities and improved system fluency are the main reasons that users want to switch on HarmonyOS. Shockingly, this overall figure is only from its home ground, as the company is yet to roll out this brand new OS for global users. That's all for now. If you like this video, then hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comment section, press the bell icon to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to visit HC Newsroom.